ka na dyan. Sarado ko. Ang hirap pala mag-try, no? Hi. Naalala mo yung in-applyan natin, yung TikTok contest, yung 2 million tao, pagdalawang tao. Ngayon na daw yun, tara na, baka mali ka na tayo. Nandito na tayo, tara na. Tara. Representing Princess V. Jimenez and Sofia Isabel I. de la Cruz. Let's go. I can believe I'm in love with stranger. I can believe it's mine. I can see it's you. The top placer is the winner of 2 million is Princess V. Jimenez and Sofia Isabel I. de la Cruz. The top winner of 2 million again is Princess V. Jimenez and Sofia Isabel I. de la Cruz. Salamat sa So yun na po guys, sana magustuhan niyo yung video ko and subscribe sa my YouTube channel and yun doon lang nagtatapos ang acting.